So mining is a particularly interesting industry, I think, to talk about now because it's playing an integral role in transforming to a low carbon economy. So there's going to be increased demand as we mine things like cobalt, lithium, these kinds of things. How is the industry managing human capital, business ethics, corporate governance? How is it managing all these things as the industry sees increased demand and changes?
Well, maybe to start off with human capital, with that growing demand, needing a larger workforce, and I think the attracting of new workforce is quite important and kind of feeding into new benefit programs, ensuring like equal pay. That's leading into that human capital of, elements of diversity, equal pay, and then it kind of spills over into almost like a union aspect. So ensuring that workers have like that fair working condition, and then maybe mining companies changing their benefits to apply to a more modern workforce, I suppose. And I don't know if there's anything else you want to say about business ethics and corporate governance.
I guess that covers it quite well. I was just going to go back maybe to your idea of like growth and more pressure to attract them. And there are two forces here at play. One is mining industry tends to pay quite well, but the working conditions are tough. So, it's not for everyone. And sometimes companies say, yes, we do have a diversity target, but women simply don't want to work in a mine. And in that aspect, we want women to be promoted, for example, like in managerial positions. So that's one. And the other one, in terms of dealing with emissions, companies are switching towards electrification. So the need for workers is actually declining in certain areas. So then you have a bit of a tension. So it's a lot of issues to deal with. And then suddenly when you want to close a mine or switch entirely your business model, there are different issues to be dealt with. And in that case, we see an opportunity for reshifting and retraining people so they can work with robots and automation and things like that.